Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the BitGet Trading competition held in June, and I will provide you the detailed information regarding this. So let's get started. Are you ready to elevate your trading game to new heights? Well, we are thrilled to announce the upcoming trading competition in June, where you will have the chance to win a share of the impressive prize pool totaling 50,000 US dollar. Okay, so mark your calendar from 10 a.m. May 30, 2023 to 10 a.m. June 12, 2023. And please visit the description box over there. If you sign up through the link that we have provided in the description, then you will get free reward. So don't forget to use our referral link over there. So kindly check it out as BitGet presents this exciting trading competition. So let's delve into the captivating rewards and rules that await participants. So here you go. Campaign 1. By simply signing up, you'll secure your chance to grab a share of 10,000 US dollar worth of BGB. And campaign 2. Early joiner will be rewarded with a share of 10,000 US dollar in trading bonuses. Okay, for the campaign 3, showcase your trading powers and make it to the futures ROI leaderboard to secure a share of 10,000 US dollar. And campaign 4, aim of the top spots on the futures trading volume leaderboard and you could be rewarded with a share of 10,000 US dollar. And here you go, campaign 5. Be a social butterfly and invite your friends to participate in the competition. If they join, you'll grab a share of 10,000 US dollar, and this is amazing. So now here you can see the interface over there. Here you can see the sign up button over there. Please tap on the sign up button. After that, you will be able to see this kind of interface. You need to first of all sign up over there. So for that you need to provide the email and your passport, and here I have already, if you've gone through the link that we have provided in the description box, so you don't have to write the referral code over there. It will automatically available over there. So please fill the details information over there. After that you will be simply able to log in the BitGet account. So here I cannot show you my personal information, but later on I will just provide all the information and you also do as it is. So after that I will just log in through it and we can see. Okay, so now I have been logging the BitGet account. Here you can see like join the trading competition in June and share 50,000 US dollar. Okay, so simply you can see the registration button over there. Okay, so you can simply visit all these things. If you tap on the registration, then you will be registered here in the BitGet. So finally I have joined the program. So if you click in the register, then you will be able to see these kinds of interface, and after that you will be registered. So simply you are finally you are in the competition, and the prize pool will be 50,000 US dollar, and the competition ends in 9 days, 18 hours 30 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, so please follow all the details information over there. Please follow all the links, and after that you will be able to join this program. And I have already told you the campaigns and the terms and condition over there. So please